Hi, my name is Avudukuri, and I wanted to talk to you about all the challenges that I have been facing relating to remote and hybrid work. For the last 18 months, I've been in remote meeting hell, and all I do is turn off my camera, get disconnected, and passively watch meetings. So remote meetings suck. They're horrible, they're distracting, and when I did the research on it, I realized most of us have been taught to take a bunch of data, compress it into a PowerPoint, and just kind of throw it up onto a customer. They comprehend, they process information, but nobody remembers anything. There's no long-term memories. I challenge you, how many meetings do you remember from last month? Maybe 5 to 7 meetings, that's it, out of hundreds? So generally, that is a very low retention rate. Now, I want to capture your attention as if I was face-to-face with you. I want to build this tactile and an emotional response every time you go ahead and attend a remote meeting. Every time you host, I want you to be able to pick up the pen, ink, and write, and create an environment where your brain lights up. There's visual and sensory inputs in order to create memories. And it's dead easy. That's exactly what Reactiv Suite was designed to do. We created this software to help take any of your content, and instead of you just turning off your camera and going full screen, what you get to do is you pin up your camera, your image, you control the size and the location of it, and at the same time, you present your existing content. You can draw, you can highlight, you can grab your customer's attention, and you can make sure that they remember your next sales meeting. It's dead easy. In 15 minutes, I can show you how to transform your next remote meeting. Give us a try.